On this client, we will be practicing the wet cuticle cutting technique using the cuticle nipper. Is her skin already moistened? I will start by nipping and pulling. There is no great secret to working with the continuous cut technique. We practice on an orange, and then we perform it on the client. Nip and pull using the tip of the nipper. Remembering that the heel of the nipper must always remain angled upward. To assist with our cut, we always anchor our thumb on the client's finger and point towards the client's cuticle. And thus, we perform the open and close motion on the nipper's handles. I have reached this point. We now start at the client's other point 0, where the cuticle begins. We follow the same pattern. Nip and pull, nip and pull. A clean, continuous cut. And we continue to where the cuticle ends. If you observe closely, there are still some corners with the residual dead skin from the cuticle. We will position the nipper and gently pull this dead tissue with the very tip, keeping the heel facing up to avoid injuring the client. We do the same on the other side. Slide the nipper underneath the nail fold, and with the tip of the nipper, we apply a little pressure to lift this tissue, allowing us to complete the removal. I always use a spray bottle with water to add moisture, since we are working with a wet cuticle technique, and I cleanse consistently using a wipe. Here, I can still see a slight tissue residue. This area is always dead skin. For the client's nail to have a flawless, refined finish, we always do a secondary pass. And look at how much was still there now on the other side. I will also do a secondary pass in the corner, always sliding the tip underneath gently. It is necessary to apply a slight amount of pressure so we can detach this dead skin. Once done, I will moisten and cleanse. And now she is ready to receive the top coat. Though I see a tiny piece of skin here, remove it. And here the cuticle work is fully prepped to receive the top coat and then be finalized.